Alright, so I made a night lamp using 2 Lego sets and 2 sticker sheets, and in this video I'll show you how I did it. So we need the acclamator, the invisible hand, 2 sticker sheets, and a lot of parts. So we'll start by building the acclamator. If you don't want to see the time lapse, you can skip it to the next chapter. So last year I made a similar MOC based also on the Battle of Coruscant, and it had like polybag designs of the Venator, the Muunificent, and the 2D Visible Hand, all of my designs. And I want to use the Muunificent Cruiser again because I think it might be on scale. So I want to play one of my favorite games, Empire War, to check the scale out. And no, well, it's not on scale, but we can use it on the background, something like that. So as you can see, we're going to need another sticker sheet because the first one I used on my upgraded invisible handstand, which is about to be destroyed anyway, and we have a second set of stickers ready to go. And for the invisible hand, I want to use its feature to blow up, well, not really to blow up, just to be separated in the middle, and I will try to place an explosion in between, so that will look pretty cool. And as for the Acclamator, I wanted to be at an angle, so it's a more dynamic pose and it will look way cooler than just a flat, just flying in a normal way. So we'll see how that works out. Alright, so the first update, we have the invisible hand already split in half with an explosion attached to it using some hinges and some angle bars, and I really like the explosion, but I don't like how it looks when it's attached. It's like a little bit too high. And on the other side we have the other half of the invisible hand, and also we have the Acclamator in the back, which is using the same hinges in order to look at an angle. And we also have the Muunificent frigate or cruiser, which is too small for this MOC, but we can pretend that it's in the background so we can add it. And finally we have the Peridea Space, which is Coruscant. I used these 2x4 wedge plates in order to make the shape a little bit less boring, and I'm also going to make this a little bit smaller so that everything can look perfect. So we'll see how it works. So here's a small explosion time lapse, and if you want to know exactly how I make this, you can ask in the comments for Rebrickable instructions, or you can just slow down the video. So, second update, change of plans. You can see the invisible hand is no longer split in half, and the reason for that is because I didn't like how the explosion looks like. It was a little bit too high, and well, I wasn't able to solve it, but I think it looks really nice now with the base being a little bit rounded using this knot technique, and the explosion was split in two in order to be able to place it on the Acclamator and on the surface, and I'm really liking how this is looking. So the next step is to add lights, and if you can already see, there are no tiles, and that's because I need to set up the lights before doing the tiling, which is placing the tiles. So I'm gonna work on that right now. Alright, so small update, the invisible hand is already light up, and the hanger section was awesome. It has a lot of place, and I was able to light it up while hiding some cables. So yeah, let's move on. Alright, so the light setting is complete. The only work left to do is tile and to hide the cables, and that is going to be a nightmare. Putting the cables in easy, and I don't have like the biggest of the hands, but if you have used light kits, you know what I mean. And hiding this cables is going to be a nightmare, but I'm going to try, and then I'm going to tile this, and it's going to look great after that. So we'll see you in a while. Alright, so last update. As you can see, I didn't manage to hide the cables really good because the places were really tight, and I wasn't able to put my hands in there without destroying the ships. So this is what we got, and I think it looks really good, so I'll leave you to it. And Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. More content will come. And if you like the Muunificent Frigate polybag design, I'm going to leave it at the end of the video. So yeah, I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching again, and yeah, see you next time.